All right, thanks for watching checking out our channel, watching one of our videos. This is the first time you ever been to our channel and seen one of our videos. We really appreciate you finding us. We've got about 400 videos online on YouTube of different things that we worked on and show you how to fix things, test things, and all that fun stuff. But what I want to make this video of, this is on a Parmak, now it's also called a Statesman Solartrol. It's basically a 6-volt Parmak solar, but this is made, it's a store brand name, private labeled for the southern states stores down there in the southern states, Alabama, Virginia, Kentucky. They hold a big chain of co-ops down there called Southern States, but this is their store brand, private labeled thing. But we've already fixed this one. I've got videos that talk about, I don't know how it shows how to fix it or not, but at least talks about us fixing them. But what I want to do, this solar panel is come loose from this little bracket. They got these little, not really rivets, I don't know what the hell they are. These little things, like right here. And over time, or the right conditions, I'll pop off there and break or whatever. And some guys will tape them on there. Some guys will use cable ties on the ends there, like zip ties. But I'll show you what I do. This seems to be I guess a more permanent fix, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it, but what we're going to do is we're going to take two short, you can use 4, I usually use 2 screws. Put one in one corner, and then you can go diagonally to the other side and put another one. Unless you want to put all 4 corners, you can, but we're going to put a self-tapping screw into it. And you can either go in the corner there and drill a hole, like a pilot hole, and then put a short screw in it. But you want to make sure you go along the edge. You don't want it too long on the screw because you only have so much. But the panel doesn't go all the way out to the edge. It's just inside a little ways on this stuff. So as long as you go into the edge and you get a screw that's not too long, it works just fine. So what we're going to do is sometimes you can use these holes, but this has still got that crap in there. So we're going to have to, hold on, we might be able to. Actually, we can use, I'm going to do this hole first, that little bitty hole right there. It's just small enough that this won't just go right on in. So we're going to, hopefully don't have to drill it out, but if we do, we do. We're going to take that short screw and just force it in there. I'm gonna have to, don't round out and get stuck in there. Holes is a little too small. Let me see if I can use an impact. Just use an impact driver and drove it the rest of the way in. So we're going to go to this side over here. This corner, I'm going to put a screw right there. But basically, you can put 4 screws in it, or just pick 2 of them and just go diagonal from one another. Do the same thing. So we're going to go over here and do the same thing. So now it's stuck on there, it ain't going anywhere. And if you want, you can put a screw in that hole there, or a screw in a hole that right there and that one there. But it ain't going anywhere. It should be fine. But that's all this video is really about. I just wanted to. Some guy asked me how he can reattach his panel to the or this metal frame deal to his panel. And I said, well, there's a way you do it. And I told him what to do. And he didn't quite understand. So I was like, oh, I'm going to make this video. And I'm going to send it, when I upload, I'm going to send it to him via text message or email, whatever he wants. And he can watch and see how to do it. He didn't quite understand what I was talking about. So this video will help him out. But it also help you out. So if you got a 6-volt Parmak solar that this metal piece is coming out there. That's the way you can put that back on there. I never had to do it to a 12-volt version, but I imagine as long as the holes, if there's a hole through this metal that's in the black plastic, you can do the same thing. There's not a hole there. Just drill a pilot hole, but just pick a corner where it's on the outer edge roughly, and drill a small pilot hole, and then get a small short self-tapping screw and put it into that hole, into that plastic. And just be careful, don't get over too far and drill too fast and hit the back side of that solar panel and break it, because then you're screwed and you got to buy a new panel. They're not expensive, but they're not cheap either. So, but anyways, hopefully it helps somebody out. And if you ever need any help or have some questions, go to our website. It's fencerfixer.com, and our email address and phone number and everything's on there, but there's also links down in the description area as well. So until next time on another video, we'll see you later on.